action.
Today I'd like to discuss the model H3500 reverse osmosis unit. Here to my right I have a nice layout of the unit so you can visually see the path that the water travels through the unit. We'll start with the feed water supply, which is right here. You're going to tap into your cold water supply. The water will then travel into the dual function sediment filter. And like I said, that is a dual function filter. It is a 1 micron sediment filter, and it also has carbon in it that's going to reduce the chlorine as well. The water then travels into one side of your shutoff and then travels down into the membrane. The membrane is going to remove or reduce your TDS down to about, the rejection rate is going to be about 98%, 97-98% on a good brand new membrane. That will also depend on the water chemistry, water temperature, and water pressure. When it passes through the membrane, the water is then split off into product water, which is the blue line, or wastewater, which is going to be your black line. Following the product water path here, we then go into the prolonged contact filter. The prolonged contact filter is a granular activated carbon filter. Basically polishes and cleans up the water. It then travels into the opposite side of the shutoff and then up to the permeate pump. The permeate pump is a device that uses the hydro pressure of your wastewater, which is going to be on the opposite side of the permeate pump, to pack the storage tank full of water. The permeate pump also shields your membrane from that pressure in the storage tank, so it's basically working in a pressure-free environment. After the permeate pump, the water then travels over to the tee and will either tee off and go up to the spigot if the customer is calling for water, or will travel down to the storage tank. On the waste side, after the water travels through the permeate pump, it's going to travel up into the spigot and run down through a drain line that you have tapped into the plumbing there. This is not a good example of a drain line. The drain line should be run straight downhill. Okay? It is a gravity drain. If you would like to learn more about the H3500RO, the permeate pump, and other Hague products, call into the corporate office and ask about attending our next service school.